Hello, boys. If you're all wondering why is this Dolly behaving like a vampire, then you guessed it right. We have someone from the Vampire Show. The one, the only, the Kabir, Vishal Gandhi. Hello, Vishal.
Hey, what's up?
So, and first of all, I would want to thank you so much for agreeing to do this. And this is your second time
You're most welcome.
you're talking to us on our forum. I think you've already spoken to our two absolute mad members and administrators of the forum. Shilima, we call them, Shilpa and Reema.
Yeah.
So they must have also told you all about us, and we conduct absolute fun-filled interviews. And so today here we're going to do something totally out of the box. I'm going to catch you off guard a number of times. So let me.
Yeah, I'm game for it.
You're all game after a tiring day. And कौन सी फिल्म देखकर आ रहे हो आप?
जी मैं बैंड बाजा बारात देखने गया था क्योंकि रणवीर सिंह इज माय बैचमेट वी वर टुगेदर इन किशोर नमित कपूर एंड हाँ आज टाइम मिला तो यार आई जस्ट वांटेड टू सी दैट एंड ही हैज डन अ ब्रिलियंट जॉब.
Oh, is it? Oh, lovely. And was this the friend who picked up this morning when I called?
He was a stylist of my show. He's stylist Minar Qatar Navre. I was in the shot and my phone was with him.
Ah.
So that's what he told me. That's the thing.
Oh, but give him a big hello on behalf of all of us. He was such a sweetheart and to convey the message to you first of all. So one big
yeah, he is a sweetheart. Surely I'll do that. In fact, I had gone for the movie with him only.
Oh.
Because everybody's shooting. I'm back on the shoot because I just had 5 hours break.
Okay.
So I just dragged him along with me for the movie.
Okay. Lovely. And so Vishal, I'm going to just ask you something totally random. It's Christmas, it's New Year, so sab maaf, theek hai? And not that for us, we don't need an excuse for everything. Everything has to be maaf, okay? The first question I'm going to ask you, do you have a mole on your neck?
I'm sorry?
Do you have a mole on your neck?
Yeah, I do have a mole on my neck.
Oh, because we are conducting a survey.
It's on the right hand side of my neck.
Oh, wow, that's it. For Shilima, be careful of Shilima, okay? वो आके वो मोल को they'll come and suck it out, and I don't know if you are going to be a vampire or they are going to be the vampire now in the process.
I'll ask Vivin to help me out in that. He's my vampire over here.
You're a vampire, I know. So before they convert who to who, we'll see. So you be careful. Look after that mole properly, okay? Shh, don't tell anyone.
Sure, I'll do that.
And okay, so now it is Christmas, so I'm going to ask you some absolute one game I'm going to play with you, and so you, without thinking, and since now you had such a tiring day, this is my time to strike, okay? At the stroke of night, raat ki 12 baje.
Ooh, it's cold out here.
So right, now I'm going to give you a few, I'm going to spell out a few words, and without thinking, you have to tell me what, you have to just pronounce that for me, okay?
Okay.
All game? Ready? Go.
All game, ready, steady.
Okay, so it is MACDONALD.
It's McDonald's.
Okay, MACMILAN.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't get it.
MACMILAN.
MAC.
MILAN.
MACMINAN.
L for Lima. LAN.
Oh, it's Macmillan.
Yeah. Now MACKINTOSH.
MACKIN.
TOSH. Macintosh. MACKINTOSH.
Macintosh.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
MACKIN. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, then MACKEREL.
MACKEREL. Mackerel.
Yeah. Now MACADEMIA.
MACA.
DEMIA.
I'm sorry, actually I'm having a bad network Wait, so please, you have to repeat it again.
Okay. M-A-C-A-D-E-M-I-A.
Yeah.
Macadamia, the macadamia nut. Okay, so I'm going to repeat them again. So now you can say that fast, right? So you got a hang of it. So I'm going to repeat the same words.
Hello.
Yeah.
You can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you very clearly.
I'm so sorry. I'm having a bad network over here. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Hello?
I can.
Yeah. Okay, now I can also.
Yeah,
Tell
okay.
me.
So now let me repeat the whole thing. So I'll give you, because giving you the being fair and being very just. So I'm going to repeat. M-A-C-D-O-N-A-L-D.
It's McDonald.
M-A-C-M-I-L-A-N.
Macmillan.
M-A-C-K-I-N-T-O-S-H.
Macintosh.
M-A-C-K-E-R-E-L.
Mackerel.
M-A-C-A-D-E-M-I-A.
M-A-C-N-E-D-I-A.
M-A-C-A-D-E-M-I-A.
M-A-C.
Macadamia.
M-A-C-A. Macadamia, okay.
Okay, again I'm going to repeat it in any random order. Again, the same 4 words. M-A-C-K-E-R-E-L.
Mackerel.
M-A-C-A-D-E-M-I-A.
Macadamia.
M-A-C-M-I-L-A-N.
Macmillan.
M-A-C-D-O-N-A-L-D.
McDonald.
M-A-C-D-O-W-E-L-L.
McDowell.
Okay. M-A-C-H-I-N-E.
Machine.
Oh, no, you got it. I wanted you to say Machin.
Oh.
Because I was giving you M-A-C words all along.
My friend, I was the cabin crew, so my ears are very sharp because we have to hear everything very correctly. So that's the reason I concentrate on what people say, you know.
Oh no. So I lost second time. I did this with somebody else and they too got it right. But I caught a few of them. So.
Okay.
Okay. So next time I have to come out with a tougher game for you. I have to come up with
Hello?
I said I have to come up with a tougher game for you.
Hello.
Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, Vishal, रुकावट के लिए खेद है. So now, the remaining part of the feature film ऐसे आता था दूरदर्शन पे when I was in India, you know, we used to get remaining.
I remember.
We used to get रुकावट के लिए खेद है. So anyway, so that was that, and oh God, I lost. Oh, I have to come up with a tougher game for you next time. So I'm going to think of a real brain twister for you. So
100%. We used to ask some people about this. What is C-L-L-E-D? It's salad or salad. Ask somebody, what is C-L-L-E-D? Is it salad or salad?
Oh.
The answer is called.
Yeah, it is.
So, and give this option.
Okay, right. So I'm going to come up with something more innovative for you. I need to so now, okay, tell me.
Very nice.
Tell me, Vishal. In case, you know, you heard of the 3 wise men, right, who went in search of, they followed the star during Christmas time.
Yeah, as a kid, I heard the story.
You heard the story.
Don't remember it, but I heard about it.
3 wise men went on a camelback all the way, and then they found a star, and then they went to the stable, and they found this little baby. I mean, they were going somewhere else, and then, of course, being men, the men that they are, they finally went into the stable, and that is where Jesus was born and all that, right? And then they went and then they blessed the child and all that. And so that's the famous story. So now you tell me, Vishal, had there been 3 women instead of men, how could the story have changed?
No idea,
No, come on, yaar. You are working with so many heroines, with so many people. You should know. Think what would women do? What would
3 white men went. Now if instead of 3 white men, if there are 3 women going there.
Instead of 3 white.
I don't think so they would have reached there.
How? Why? Why do you say that?
They would have rather preferred a car than a camel.
Okay, the reason I tell you what they could have done is, first of all, because men don't ask for directions, right? That's why they got lost.
Yeah.
But women would have asked for directions in the first place. And then they would have gone on time because we went much later after the baby was born. So they would have gone, they would have helped deliver the baby well, they would have cleaned the entire stable, they would have bought such nice gifts for the baby, and then they would have made a nice casserole. They've done all the work. Okay. And then what? Then that's not the end, isn't it? Women can't end things there. Then they start coming back.
Okay.
And when they start returning back, what would have they said as they were leaving? When they left, they would have left the stable and all that, left Mary and Joseph and little baby Jesus there. So, and then what do you think they would have said? One of them would have said, did you see the sandals? No, did you see the sandals Mary was wearing with that gown? They were not matching at all. And then another one would have said, I heard that Joseph isn't even working right now. How are they going to bring up the baby?
I have a very serious scene to go right now.
And
yes,
then,
I'm laughing to my glory.
And then the other one will say, that baby doesn't even look like Joseph.
Oh God, typical women. My goodness.
So that is what would have happened had there been 3 wise women instead of 3 wise men. So the whole situation has changed. That is why they didn't send women out and they sent 3 men. You know, at least they went. Though they reached late, they did whatever they did, and that is why we have Christmas. Otherwise, we wouldn't be celebrating Christmas, would we?
Christmas, yeah. we wouldn't have got the holiday.
Yes. So that is what it was. And so let me ask you another one little nice riddle about something to do with Christmas also. What did Baby Corn ask Mommy Corn?
Okay. I'm blank.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Where is popcorn? You just went for a film. That's why I asked you this.
Come again, what was that?
Where is popcorn?
Where? Popcorn?
Ah. Did you get it?
No.
You didn't? Papa is pop, right?
I'm not getting it.
You're not getting it. I said, what did Baby Corn ask Mama Corn? So, Baby Corn.
Where is popcorn? Okay,
Yeah.
where is popcorn? Okay. Please don't mind because I'm up since 5 in the morning and I'm all doing all the scenes.
I know.
Got a particular event and I came back. I'm all jammed right now.
Yeah, that is why I'm striking I'm striking things when they're to my advantage, isn't it?
Yes, man, you're getting me now because it's going to get on till like 3, 4 in the morning.
Oh, no. Okay, I'll let you know. I won't tease you so much now. But you tell us, Vishal. We've heard so much about your show and you have so much of fan following. The adulation that you're receiving is like, I know it has to be seen to be believed. And so how do you feel after all of this?
Frankly speaking, Gauri, I feel because this is what I always wanted to be. This was my passion. This was my dream. I was with Jet Airways for like 5 years.
Okay.
And I just quit it because I realized this is not what I wanted to do in life. I got in over here and by God's grace, by some hard work, some blessings from parents, from family, finally made it. And I feel so good that I'm in love by people right now. The amount of messages they send me, the amount of gifts they send me at my place. I'm touched. I'm enjoying it. I'm cherishing it.
Lovely. And I also would like to say that, and I have been also following you on Facebook, and I see how well you interact on a one-to-one basis with all your fans, and I think that's what sends them, makes them even more ecstatic. And I think, you can count people on the fingers of one hand that who are so approachable and genuine these days, and I think you are one of them, Vishal. And so I can only say
Thank you
that
so much.
just continue the way you are, and this is what actually takes people to places, and this is because the goodwill has such an important part to play in people's success. And I think
Yeah.
that is what actually finally takes you, on a crescent, riding on, such a high. And I only hope and
Yeah.
pray and wish that you just conquer and rule everyone's hearts.
We I just need blessings, Dolly. I just need blessings. I want to do movies. I want to continue my future in movies.
Uh-huh.
And after when I saw my friend's movie today, I was so happy to see him. Like we have spent like 4 months together.
Okay.
And then I see him and I'm like, wow, yeah, he has finally conquered. He has finally done it. And I want to reach there.
Yes.
And yeah, I want to do it. So I just need blessing from all my fans, from my good wishers that just bless me that I get success. That's it. What I want to do, what I'm striving for, I just need luck and wishes from them.
Of
That's
course, of course. And as they say, Amen, Ameen, Tathastu, I'm doing it in all the faiths and all the religions, and may every wish and dream and aspiration of yours come true. And I think if you
Thank
pursue
you.
something with such genuinity and but sincerity, there is no stopping. Maybe you may have to face obstacles on the way, but I am sure that these will just, be learning curves for you to, move and surge ahead.
Surely. And I wish and I pray that my next interview with you would be when I am a movie star and you'll be conducting the same interview with me, and then at that time I'll tell you how I feel now.
Wow. No, I'll be doing many more before that, but every path we will be, we will be following.
Surely one would be when I am a star as well, a movie star.
Yes.
One would be that time I'll definitely call you up.
Oh,
and ask you to take my interview.
Yes. So now we are going to pray with renewed vigor that, okay, you're going to be our first Bollywood star that we're going to interact with.
Surely.
That will be good.
Ameen on that.
Yes, absolutely. And so on that note, I would also like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year, Vishal. And so what
Same to you, Dolly.
And what would you like to convey to all your fans on the new year and the new decade, 2010 coming to an end, the new decade beginning now?
The only thing I want to tell them is always be happy in life, no matter whatever circumstances you are facing. Just fight. Don't crib saying, God, why me? Just tell him, try me, man. And just conquer yourself. Sky is the limit. Have trust in yourself. Whatever the bygones are, just let it go. The year has passed. Whatever you face, bad luck or anything, just forget it. A new day, a new beginning. Just fight in your life. Do not ever give up. Let not the kid in you die. Just continue. Do not try to please anybody. Just be what you are. People will follow you. And success will follow you. And just be down to earth. Don't forget the roots where you have come from. And a very happy Christmas and happy and a prosperous and a successful New Year to them.
Wow, that was such a fantastic message, I think. And I wish many people are definitely going to take on board. And I would like to again just add to that. I think people like you are such big role models because especially nowadays with the social networking and the communication being so revolutionized, the idol worship that goes on, and then, you become, I think, so worthy of that idol worship. That's all I can say, Vishal, and nothing more. So, and I'm so glad that the fans who love you are loving somebody as genuine and as simple and as humble and as wonderful as you.
Thank you so much, Dolly.
And I also wish that our association continues to grow from strength to strength in leaps and bounds, and then we are following in every
100%.
path of what Vishal is doing, and we shall keep track.
Wow, right. Thank you so much.
And any song you would like to dedicate?
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा.
Lovely. So on that note, so here is Jab Koi Saath Bigad Jaye on behalf of Vishal to all his fans. So why don't you sing a line for us?
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवा, न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवा. Thank you.
Oh, lovely. And then also I would like to thank you. You are now a celebrity member on our forum, India TV Forum. And I'm sorry, yesterday we had some problems with the registration. You are now registered and you are Vishal Gandhi on our forum. And I think the links have been sent to you by Shilpa as well as Diana. And yeah, I know I said
All right.
okay, bye, but I want to tell you that everybody is falling ill with either Vishaleria or they're falling with Vishalensia. So now I'm going to fall with Vishalitis. Okay, so we need some vaccination. And so Vishal therapy will be when you come and visit our forum, and then you can hear your interview, as well as Diana, another very good diehard fan of yours, has written a lovely piece about this Vishaleria and Vishalensia and all that. So I would love you to read that too. And, we will continue to touch base, and you please hold the line.
Sure, sure.
कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा. न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा. तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा. जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ. हो चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा. न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा. जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए,